Good morning, class. Children, take out your radiant readers. Open page number 36. Today we will read the chapter Kindness to Animals. Let's begin. Kindness to animals. Children, kindness comes from the word kind. Kind means to be polite and friendly. So, we must be kind, polite and friendly to animals. Do you like animals? Yes, we must love animals. Okay? Starting the chapter, please listen carefully. Early one morning, Satish and Ramesh took their dog Moti for a walk in the park. Satish and Ramesh took their dog Moti for a walk in the park. Okay? Moti is a pet animal of Satish and Ramesh. You all know pet animals, children, right? So Moti is a pet animal. It was still a little dark. It was dark when the morning when it's dark. Before sunrise. So Satish and Ramesh went to the garden quite early in the morning, so it was dark. They went before sunrise. Moti saw an old man coming and began to bark. Moti saw an old man and Moti started to bark. What sound dogs make, children? Yes, dogs bark. So, Moti started to bark. Stop barking, Moti said Satish. What Satish said to Moti? Stop barking. Stop barking or the man will beat you. Satish said that you must stop barking, otherwise the man will beat you, hurt you. The old man heard this. The old man heard this and said, I never hurt any animal. The old man said, I never hurt any animal. Do you beat your dog? The old man asked, do you beat your dog? What do you think, children? Satish and Ramesh beat their dog? Yes or no? Let's find this. No, we are very fond of Moti. Fond means that they really liked Moti. So Ramesh said, no, we are very fond of Moti, said Ramesh. We can't be cruel to our dog. They can't be cruel. Cruel means, cruel is the opposite of kind. Cruel is opposite of kind. That is unkind. Cruel means to be unkind. Okay? So Ramesh said, we cannot be cruel to our dog. That they cannot hurt their dog. They are really fond of their dog. You must not be cruel to any animal, said the man. What the man said? That you must not only be kind and friendly to your pet, but you must love and be friendly with all the animals, not only to your pet. Okay, children? Just then, a bird darted suddenly from its nest. Darted means to move rapidly, to move quickly. So, suddenly a bird moved quickly from its nest. Moti started running after it. What Moti did? Moti started to run after that. Satish looked into the nest. Now, Satish looked inside the nest and cried out. Cried out means to speak out in loud. Come here, Ramesh. Come here, Ramesh. He called Ramesh and said, there are some baby birds in the nest with pretty black and white marks. He said that in that nest there are some baby birds with pretty black and white marks. I think we can take them home. Satish said that we must take them home. Children, how you will feel if someone will take you away from your parents? You will feel good or bad. Even the person who took you will give all the delicious food. How will you feel? You will feel like eating that? All the delicious food? No, you will not like that, children, because you are not happy. Because you will not be happy to be in that place. So, moving with the story. No, you must not take the baby birds away from the nest, said the old man. What the old man said? The old man was really wise. So, he said that you must not take the baby birds away from the nest. But we will give them food and we will look after them, said Ramesh. Now Ramesh said that why you are saying no? We are going to give them food and we will take good care of birds. Ramesh said, if you take them away, the mother bird will cry, said the man. Then the old man said that if you will take the baby birds, the mother birds will cry. All animals and birds are our friends. The old man then said that all animals and birds are our friends. We must never hurt them. We must never hurt animals and birds. Okay? We must always be kind to them. We must always be kind to all the animals and birds. Okay, children? Children, write the date 18.09.2020 in the left hand side. Write new words. First word, beat, B-E-A-T, beat. Second word, herd, H-E-A-R-D, herd. Third, never, N-E-V-E-R, never. Fourth, fond, F-O-N-D, fond. Fifth word, cruel, C-R-U-E-L, cruel. Okay. Sixth word, darted, D-A-R-T-E-D, darted. Seventh word, pretty, P-R-E-T-T-Y, pretty. Eighth word, hurt, H-U-R-T, hurt, H-U-R-T, hurt. And the last word is kind, K-I-N-D, kind. Okay, children, write these words neatly in your copy and read these words loudly for 2 times. Bye bye, children. See you in the next class.